Hello everybody, this is 2020 70 plate Mercedes Sprinter van. Diesel particulate filter cleaning in the machine. This vehicle came in with a DPF problems and also Adblue problems. The counter kicked in, it's only left 7 miles to go. So DPF was extremely clogged up. We are trying to, as you can see, the glass is steamed up because of the temperature. You can reach me on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx problems. We are located in Westerham, Kent. This is who we are. And we are AC Approve Center, and we are also known as Moorhouse Garage Limited. Telephone numbers, everything's there. But I give you my number as well. 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, anything related with your car, injectors, turbo, we are the masters. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.